A very good evening to one and all. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So today we will be discussing about SWAYAM, that is a MOOC initiative of Government of India. So firstly we will discuss about what is SWAYAM, and after that we will discuss about different type of the courses which are offered under SWAYAM. So as far as SWAYAM is concerned, so SWAYAM is a program initiated by Government of India. It is developed jointly by MHRD and AICTE. The aim of this effort is to take the best teaching learning resources to all, including the most disadvantaged. सो स्वयं एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स के मूक्स अवेलेबल हैं. मूक स्टैंड्स फॉर मैसिव ऑनलाइन ओपन कोर्सेज. सो दीज आर different type of the courses which are free of cost, and if we want to earn the certificate, so a little fee is also charged for this. So these are scheduled online courses and these are used for academic development. These are the courses which are prepared and organized by eminent academicians, and UGC has already issued the UGC guidelines for credit framework for online learning also. So there is no age bar and no number limit is there. We can pursue any number of the courses. So firstly we will have a look on. So as far as its name is concerned, so SWAYAM, it stands for Study Web of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. So it is a platform where different type of the material is provided to the students through different quadrants. So it includes different type of the contents like video lectures, similarly specially prepared reading material that can be downloaded and it can be printed also, and self-assessment tests through test and quizzes, and an online discussion forum for clearing the doubts. That means different type of the multimedia e-contents including graphics, animation, scenario, case study, some textual handouts, reading list, it will be provided. Similarly assignment, discussion, practical assignment as per the requirement will also be provided. So quizzes will be organized under this and peer assessment will also be provided. So as far as its organization is concerned, so there are different type of the national coordinators which are working under SWAYAM. So there are 9 national coordinators. So now moving to the national coordinators. So in order to ensure best quality contents are produced and delivered, 9 national coordinators have been appointed. So these are AICTE. So AICTE for self-paced and international courses. NPTEL, so these are basically for engineering. After that UGC. UGC is for non-technical post-graduation education. CEC, that is for undergraduate education. NCERT, this is for school education. NIOS, that stands for National Institute of Open Schooling, it provides the school education. After that IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, and it is for out of the school students. After that IIMB, that is Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, and it is for management studies. Different type of the courses which comes under management studies, these are provided by Indian Institute of Management Bangalore. After that National Institute of Technical Teacher Training Chandigarh, and it provides teacher training programs. So these are different type of the coordinators. These are national coordinators and these provide different type of the courses. So courses are undergraduate also, postgraduate courses also, similarly school education also. So accordingly these are categorized in. So doing courses through SWAYAM, there are two types of learning, informal as well as formal. So today I will be discussing about the informal learning. So as far as informal learning is concerned, so there are different steps of it, how we will pursue any type of the course under SWAYAM. तो स्वयं के अंडर कोई भी कोर्स अगर आप परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, सो अकॉर्डिंगली व्हाट विल बी द प्रोसेस ऑफ इट. सो फर्स्टली आई विल let you know about that. So the first step is related with registering with SWAYAM. So कोई भी स्टूडेंट अगर कोई भी कोर्स करना चाहता है, so first of all he has to register himself or herself with SWAYAM. After that the second step will be exploring the courses. As I discussed, there are different type of the courses which are available under this platform. These are starting from 9th to post graduation also. So accordingly we have to explore the course according to our choice. There are management courses also, there are certain humanity arts courses also, accountancy and different other types are also included. After that, enrolling for the course. So next step is, after choosing the required course, we have to enroll for that particular course. After enrolling into the course, the next step is learning at your home. So different type of the contents will be provided to you. It can be in PDF forms, it can be in video form. So accordingly we have to learn at our home. So if we have any type of the doubts, so we can discuss it, and there is a discussion form, and accordingly by chatting on this discussion form we can clarify our doubts. After that, submitting online assignments. There will be different type of the assignment which we have to submit while doing any type of the course. So this step includes submitting online assignment. So after submitting online assignments, the course will be